When it comes to animals, snakes are among the most feared on the entire globe. The sight of these limbless, cold-blooded beasts is enough to strike fear into the hearts of anyone who could come into contact with them. It makes no difference whether or not they are poisonous. The mere sight of a snake causes people to feel apprehensive on the first occasion. Not only that, but there is a valid explanation for such behavior. In our world, there are very few animals that are more terrifying or dangerous than snakes. On an annual basis, snakes are responsible for the second highest number of animal-to-human fatalities. As you continue to watch, you will discover about the top 10 most dangerous snakes in the world. Number 10. Black Mamba. One of the longest and quickest snakes in the world, the black mamba may be found in the southern and eastern regions of Africa. It is also one of the most exotic snakes. During their lifetime, black mambas can reach lengths of up to 14 feet and can move at speeds of up to 12.5 miles per hour. They are dangerous predators due to their great size and agility, which makes them extremely dangerous. Black mambas have skin that is either light gray or brown, but they receive their name from the dark color of the interior of their mouths. The neurotoxic character of the venom produced by the black mamba is accompanied by its lightning-fast action. In the beginning, an infected person will endure excruciating pain, and within an hour, they will enter a coma. Without an antidote, the poison of the black mamba will kill you within 6 hours. You will not survive. Number 9. Boomslang. The boomslang is a huge snake that is exceedingly poisonous and can be found all over the African continent. However, it is almost exclusively found in southern countries such as South Africa, Swaziland, Namibia, and Zimbabwe. The snake is well known for its striking appearance, which includes huge eyes, bodies that are brightly colored, and a head that is shaped like an egg. When compared to females, boomslangs are typically brown, while males are typically green with blue or black scale borders. This is because the boomslang snake does not spray its venom, but rather eats on its prey until it finally gives up and dies. Venom from the boomslang plant is a hemotoxin that kills red blood cells and causes severe bleeding from the inside and outside of the body, resulting in death. This bleeding can occur from any orifice in the body. Another characteristic of the boomslang that makes it a potentially dangerous weapon is that it only requires a small amount of venom to be injected into the victim, and the symptoms typically manifest themselves after it is too late. Number 8. The Fer de Lance. It is the most dangerous snake in South America, and its name is the Fer de Lance. With a length of approximately 4 to 7 feet and a reputation for being quite aggressive, the Fer de Lance is most commonly seen in woods. The head of a Fer de Lance is fashioned like a spear, and its body is long and brown with spots that are shaped like diamonds. Anticoagulation capabilities are possessed by the venom of the Fer de Lance, which also results in death due to a cerebral hemorrhage. The effects of its venom can be felt within minutes, and it frequently causes severe necrosis, which causes the tissue of the body to turn black. Number 7. Russell's viper. Among the 4 species of snakes that are considered to be the Big Four in India, the Russell's viper is a native species of the Indian subcontinent. It results in the deaths of thousands of people each year. The body of the Russell's viper is spherical and robust, and it has a short tail. Its length ranges from around 4 to 6 feet. As a result of its black and brown coloration, Russell's viper can blend in with its surroundings and frequently attacks farmers while they are hidden in fields. Because of the extreme potency of its venom, it is considered to be one of the most lethal vipers in the world. The venom of the Russell's viper has the potential to kill 22 people with just one bite into its body. Within a couple of hours of a snake bite, the venom produces rapid bleeding, defibrillation, hemorrhage, shock, and renal failure. All of these manifestations occur simultaneously. Eastern tiger snake is at number 6. With its yellow and black scales, the eastern tiger snake, which is native to Southeast Australia, has a similar appearance to that of a tiger thanks to its appearance. Poisoning can occur as quickly as 15 minutes following a bite from this snake, which has one of the most fatal venoms of any snake in existence. An awful amount of pain, tingling, and numbness are some of the symptoms that are caused by the venom of the eastern tiger snake, which also causes breathing difficulties and paralysis in later stages. Number 5. There is a saw-scaled viper. When it comes to the number of people it has killed, the saw-scaled viper is the most lethal snake. According to estimates provided by scientists, it is responsible for more deaths of humans than were caused by all other kinds of snakes combined. There are parts of Africa, the Middle East, and the Indian subcontinent where you can find the saw-scaled viper. They are recognized for their peculiar threat show, which consists of creating a sharp sizzling sound by rubbing their bodies. They are considered to be one of the most dangerous and aggressive snakes. Saw-scaled vipers are quite small in size and inject only a small amount of venom into their bites. Nonetheless, they are capable of killing a human within a few hours. Banded krait is ranked 4th. Because of its distinctive appearance, black with yellow stripes, the banded krait is one of the most recognizable snakes in the world. It is also one of the snakes that most frequently strikes during the midnight hours. Great and sluggish during the day, the banded krait is primarily found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and southern China. Its appearance is characterized by its great length. The venom of the banded krait is particularly lethal, as it paralyzes the muscles of the respiratory system, preventing the diaphragm from moving and ultimately leading to death by suffocation. Number 3. The king cobra. When one thinks of the monster, the first snake that springs to mind is the king cobra. South Asia is the home of the king cobra, which holds the record for being the longest venomous snake in the world. Within a short period, the bite of a king cobra is capable of killing an elephant due to its extreme potency. It has the potential to reach a length of up to 18 feet, and when provoked, it can raise its head several feet off the ground. Within 15 minutes, a single bite from a king cobra can be fatal to a human being. Additionally, the snake is known to bite multiple times in rapid succession, injecting approximately 7 milliliters of venom each time. It is interesting to note that the king cobra is one of the few animals in the animal kingdom that consumes its kind. Coastal tapir at number 2. An additional lethal snake that may be found in the outback of Australia is the coastal tapir, which is renowned for its remarkable running speed. The victim of the coastal tapir is bitten multiple times before the creature even has a chance to react. In terms of color, it can range from light olive to dark brown, but its eyes are in a reddish hue. The body of the coastal tapir is long and spherical. Number 1. Inland tapir. The inland tapir is the most dangerous and poisonous snake in the world. It is also the most deadly. Inland tapirs are dark tan and have scales that are dark-edged. They are native to Australia. The venom that it sheds is the most poisonous of all snakes. Within a single bite, the venom of the inland tapir has the potential to execute 100 human beings. The consequences of the venom start to manifest themselves within a few minutes of the bite, and it can kill the victim in a relatively short amount of time, less than an hour. It is quite uncommon for snakes to attack humans without being provoked, and they are more afraid of us than we are of having them attack us. Despite this, they have the second highest human kill count of any animal. Nevertheless, certain snakes are more dangerous and aggressive than others. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos. In the comments section of the post, please tell me how many you discovered.